So maybe you can do one or two vocal exercises pretty well, but the moment you go to a song, things start to fall apart. Now, from personal experience, this usually means one of two things. Either those one or two exercises aren't as good as you think, or maybe you just haven't learned how to translate the technique yet. And this is a huge part of developing your voice. To sing with good technique in a song, generally the technique needs to be consistent across any context. Think different words, different patterns, different scales, even different speeds and tempos. The underlying feeling should generally be the same. And so when I'm working with clients around the world, a big part of the work is this. We build one or two scales where they're using the muscles correctly. And once we have that, we use those scales to teach some of the harder contexts. So watch as I guide a student through this process today. The challenge is this. Once you can do that, no, 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 no. Can you go back up to that same feeling? So let's give that a try right now. So the moment you get that top down and it feels clean, it feels smooth, can you go back up?
No, 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 no.
Yeah, close. But you know how it kind of gets softer and it kind of flips?
Yeah.
So that's the real challenge. It's like, how do I get it to feel exactly the same? Try it again.
No, 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 no.
Closer. It gets a little bit softer, still on the way up. Try it one more time.
No, 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 no.
Yes, good. And that, by the way, that was the note that you used to strain on.
No, 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 no.
Good.
Oh, sorry. Can you give me the key again? No, no, no. Oh, sorry. I messed that up.
You're fine.
Again,
Just do it again. No,
sorry.
no pressure.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, pretty good. Next one.
No, 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 no.
Good. One more.
No, 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 no.
Good. Coming back down.
No, 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 no.
Yes.
No, 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 no.
Yes, well done.
No, 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 no.
Good. Now just for a moment, take away the finger. Let's see what happens when you don't need the finger.
No, 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 no.
Good.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, it could be a bit better. Try it again.
No, 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 no.
Good. Last one.
No, 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 no.
Good. Nice. Now I'm going to throw another challenge at you now. Don't do the whole workflow. Just go bottom up. No, 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 no. Just bottom up now. And see if you can go just basically match what you did just now.
No, 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 no.
Got a bit soft on top.
No, 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 no.
Pretty good.
No, 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 no.
Good.
No, 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 no.
Good.
No, 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 no.
Pretty good.
No, 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 no.
Good. One more.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, nice. Does this feel easy to do or does it feel like you have to think a lot to get there?
No, it feels easy.
It was
I
easy.
think what really standing out is the flip doesn't feel like I'm flipping. Although, of course, there's a difference in the texture when I'm like the lower nose and the higher nose.
Yeah.
There is a difference in the texture, but like it doesn't feel like I'm flipping necessarily like it did earlier.
Yeah, well, exactly. I mean, because basically what you're doing here, you know how we talked about the muscles, the stretch muscles and the closure muscles?
Yeah.
If you keep the chords together, kind of very similarly, right now, like it could be better, like as in like you keep the volume more even, and you just do that, there is never a flip. The flip only happens when, as we try to stretch, our chords come apart. No, 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 no. And that coming apart happens because for most singers, there's just like it's so much, too much pressure, so they kind of have to let go. Or you know, some of the better singers would just do it like intentionally. They want to do it because it sounds cool. But the way you're feeling it right now is just very simple, kind of like technique. That's just how it should be. Now, over time, though, you can add more and more power to this feeling. Because right now you're kind of singing in like maybe like a softer kind of volume, but you're feeling this clean technique again and again. You can challenge it to more and more weight and more volume. No, 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 no. You can keep bringing more and more in.
That's where I want to get.
Yes, but it has to be built off this foundation versus the technique you had maybe beginning of last week. Because one will get you there, the other one wouldn't. Because the other one is just built off like this kind of feeling
Yeah.
that we don't need. We can see if we can add more weight to it. Let's do this right. Let's go. No, 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 no. Add it on the top. So hit the top note a few times and see if you can add a bit more volume there.
Okay. No, 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 no.
Come here. No, 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 no.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, so you can do it here. That's the feeling you want.
No, 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 no.
Yes.
No, 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 no.
Good.
No, 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 no.
Try it again.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, it's okay. Come back to the clean one. No, 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 no.
No, 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 no.
Close. No, 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 no.
No, 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 no.
Nice. No, 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 no.
No, 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 no.
Still pretty clean. No, 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 no.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, give into that feeling of falsetto again.
Okay.
Yep.
No, 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 no.
Good.
No, 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 no.
Yeah. Now see if you can add a bit more power. That feeling is better, so that's cleaner. No, 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 no.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, something like that. That's a pretty good difference. It's a pretty good difference. So that's one way you can see how much weight you can add to that feeling. But the reason why just now I was like, hey, let it go to falsetto first, it was because it kind of went like this. It wasn't actually on the pitch yet. And then you tried to add more weight to that. When it has to be the other way around, it has to be fully onto the note, and then you add the power to it. So, any questions so far? You've done really well today.